Se envolveu com a tropa toda até que chegou minha vez. Ficou impressionada com o que o novinho fez. Se envolveu com a tropa, 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 se envolveu.
Becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote the little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old, but I think the world is cold.
Thanks for the save, bud. Whoa! Again.
There's nothing like it, not like the way you move. I can try, but I can't hide it from you. 'Cause I can't wait for you.
When I see you again, tell you. When I see you again.
Remember me? It's all over now.
Or is it?
No! Hiccup!
Well, good morning, Mr. Bossy.
Till now.
Guys, this was supposed to be a drill. Do you have to turn it into a game?
Don't we always?
Fair point. Da-da-da, we're dead. Toothless. Down. Gently. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Toothless.
Hey, your dragon just shot at us.
Yes, I know. I told him to. What are you looking at? Oh, yeah, just go. Last leg. Don't laugh, Toothless. You're above that.
Okay, so you're the hero no matter what, and I'm the mutton head.
Exactly.
Shut up, everybody.